Okay, so this is all to everybody here. That I'm now getting a mustache. Yeah, I'm getting a mustache. This is kind of like my first vlog, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around. I'm not gonna show off my house. Okay? No, no, no. I'm gonna show you some stuff. Here is my kitty. Hello, kitty. Hello. She's huge. Like, literally huge. And she's just a kid. Oh, get off! Oh, ow. She doesn't mess around when she's on my lap. She like takes her toes, scratches me. Ah, ow. Like, oh man, why are you looking at my hands? Cats. They're really cute. So they probably grow up. Kind of be mean sometimes. Hands. Hands in my hands. Where to go? My cat might attack me. And see you later. See you later.